As a family, we have had the opportunity of hosting the Lord's presence in our home for over a decade through family altars. And now is the time to take what He has done in the secret place on the road. The Leeper family is traveling to revive, awaken, and bring hope to California. Would you like us to come to your church or be a part of an outreach you're doing? Our desire is to support the body of Christ through family ministry in worship that encounters the presence of God and messages that encourage families and strengthen believers. Watch the rest of this video to see what God is doing and let us know if you'd like us to come to your area.